The fits that's gonna be coming, top tier. Hey guys, it's your girl Naja and welcome back to another YouTube video. If you're new here, subscribe and hit the notification button. And can you guys guess what today is? It's Labor Day. Look at my Guyanese earrings. It's Labor Day, y'all, and I'm filming. Later I'm gonna go to the parkway with my friends and we'll have a good time celebrating our culture. But yeah, guys, it's Labor Day, but that's not why I'm filming. Today I'm going to be changing things up. I'm also going to be changing up my channel, so I also want to let you guys know that I know my channel consists of nursing, hair care, and lifestyle content, but I'm taking out the lifestyle just because I'm not really that good with vlogging and stuff. I'm going to be taking that part out, and I'm going to be adding in fashion. I noticed y'all guys like my Amazon haul, so I'm gonna be doing a little bit more hauls, you know. And today's video is going to be an unboxing video of a Telfar bag. And I've been dying to get, like, I have a small Telfar bag, but I've been dying to get the medium version. So I finally got it, and I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys, and I'm going to be telling you guys how, like, the steps that I took to get the Telfar bag, because I know, like, it's hard to get it, and when you go to the website it all says sold out. So I'm gonna tell y'all what I did and what you guys need to know in order to get the Telfar bag at retail price. So let me show you guys the box. So this is the box. It's big and flat. It's not heavy at all. It's probably like 2 pounds. It's big and flat, and I'm so excited. I was like, let me wait and open it up while I'm filming it so I could get like the initial first impression of it, but I couldn't wait, guys. I had to open it up and look at it because it was just, I was just too excited. Let me open it up again. I put it back in the box just for this video, just for you guys. Just for you guys. So let me open up the box. And I hope you guys are like guessing at what color I got, because the color I got isn't a color I would have gotten like a year ago, because I don't know. So once you open the box, this is the medium size. It's not the small or the large. This is the medium size. So once you open the box, it's gonna look like this. It's gonna be in a plastic, and then you have to open the plastic, and then it's gonna be in that pouch. So you open it up. It's so satisfying. Oh my gosh. And the new bag smell, top tier. Alright, let me show y'all the final reveal. Now the bag's not trying to come out of this pouch. I'm struggling for real. The final reveal. The new bag smell, oh my gosh. I love it so much. And let's talk about the color. Now this is a dark olive green color, and I would not have gone for this color a year ago or even a few months ago, because I don't normally wear green, but I'm trying to like change up my wardrobe, and I tend to go for like earthy neutral colors. And let me tell you, this color goes well with a lot of brown, beige, black, white, gray colors. Those are the colors that I normally wear. Those are the colors I like to wear. You're not gonna see me in bright colors, or I'm always gonna be wearing something subtle. if I'm wearing a bright color, it's not gonna be for my clothing. It's either gonna be for my shoes or from a bag. But I just love this bag. It's like a everyday bag. Like, I'm gonna make it an everyday bag, and it's a stylish everyday bag. Yeah, I love this bag. This is like a adjustable strap. I was watching other videos, and like they were saying their bag came with like an adjustable strap that you could use basically this thing to adjust the strap, like the length of the strap. So hopefully I could actually do that. I'm not really sure how it's gonna look, but yeah, this is the bag. Oh my gosh, it's giving. It gave what it needed to give, for real. This is the bag. And yeah, so I chose this color because it's gonna go with a lot of my clothes. I'm gonna be wearing it as a school bag sometimes, as a rolling out bag other times. And yeah, I'm gonna make well use for this because it was too expensive. And I want to show you guys the inside of the bag. This is what it looks like. You know, it's spacious enough to hold books, and it has an inner zipper, which is like perfect, basically. And the inner zipper is pretty spacious too. I love this bag. First of all, it's so classy, and the simplicity of it is just, it's giving exactly what it needs to give. Y'all don't understand. Like, this color is the perfect color. Like, this color is the color I definitely needed. Any other color would have just been, I don't know, but this green, I'm not a green person, but this green, I love it so much. The fits that's gonna be coming, top tier. But yeah, anyways, this is the bag, guys. And I'm filming this video early. I was gonna film it later on in the week, but I'm filming it early because I really want to use this bag. Like, I didn't. Okay, now I want to get into like how I got the bag, and I got it from the Telfar website because when I got my first Telfar bag, I bought it off of StockX, and I paid the equivalent to how much I paid for this one, and I got the small one the last time. Just imagine the equivalent to a small versus a medium, and they have completely different sizes. Completely different, not even, nowhere close. The size is nowhere close to each other. But yeah, I bought it off of the Telfar website for $2.19 and change, which is like tax and everything included. And this is what I did. So I realized I wanted a medium sized bag like a month ago, not too long ago, a month ago, and I was like, I'm gonna get a bag. I'm gonna get the medium size. And I was just, cause I didn't want to get it from like a third party company or something, like StockX, whatever other companies that sells handbags and stuff. I wanted to get it directly from them for retail price. That way I know I'm like getting it cheaper. But you go on their website and it's always sold out, and I never understood like why it was sold out. Like, when do they drop the bags and how do they drop it? Like, I didn't know how that operated. So I'm gonna put y'all on game because if I was waiting for somebody to tell me, I'll be waiting forever. I have to investigate for myself. So what I did was I basically did my research, and I realized you have to follow their Instagram page, the Telfar Instagram page, and you pay attention to their stories because they're gonna announce when they're dropping their bags, which color they're dropping, at which time, and all of that. So follow their Instagram page, subscribe to their mailing list, and do all of that. And now the next step, right? Because this is how I got my bag without the Telfar bag security program, because that was since like April, whatever, March. I don't know when they were gonna have another one. So I'm like, I'm gonna get it now. So yeah, I found out about the bag drop on their Instagram page, and know if this is a coincidence, but when I finally realized what color I wanted, I went on her Instagram page. I saw dark olive green bag dropping at August 26th on Thursday. I said, wow. And I realized I wanted a bag, and I was on their Instagram page on Tuesday, and it was dropping on Thursday. This bag was definitely made for me, because there's no way that the exact color I wanted was dropping 2 days after I realized I wanted to get it. But yeah, so I basically planned in advance on how I was gonna like secure my bag, because I don't know how the traffic was gonna be. Like, if you're a sneakerhead, the traffic online be crazy, the websites be crashing and all that. And I wasn't trying to deal with that, because Thursday at 12 p.m. I was at work. And I needed to secure that bag ASAP, like, especially at work. So basically how I did it, when you go on the Telfar website, you're gonna see when it says coming soon or sold out or whatever it says, under the bag you want that's gonna drop, there's gonna be like a shop with Klarna, pay by 4 or whatever. And then what you want to do after that is you want to download, it's going to tell you to download the Klarna app, right? And then you're going to basically set up a one-time purchase payment card. That way you're saving your card information for when you have to like check out and stuff. Because imagine you get the bag, right? You put in your shopping cart, and then you lose the bag when you're putting in your card information. So that way, if you're putting it in your card, like, and you have to do this 24 hours before. You can't do it like 2 days before. It has to be 24 hours before the bag drops. So you set up a one-time payment with Klarna, and then put in your card information, and basically it basically tells you to add the amount you want to put on the card. So say if you know the bag is gonna be, if you're getting a large and it's $257, you're gonna add the tax. So you're gonna put like $280, right? Put $280 on the one-time payment card. That way you're including tax, processing fee, and shipping. And then the day of it, the directions is gonna be there. I can't really fully give you the directions of how I did it step by step. But once you press like shop with Klarna, pay by 4 installments, whatever, it's right underneath the bag itself. Another tip is when you're on the website, do not go to shopping bags and try to find the color the day of purchasing it. Like right when the bag drops, don't do that. So you're gonna go to the date, like go to the sidebar on the left upper corner, and then the date is gonna show. In my case, it showed Thursday, August 26, 2022. When you go to that date, it's gonna show you exactly what's dropping on that day. And then boom, it's right in front of you. You don't have to scroll to the color that's coming out. It's gonna be right in front of you. But you wanna do this, don't go to the Telfar website. Like if you're on your phone, if you have an iPhone, don't type in Telfar in Safari. Go to the Klarna app and then type in shop.telfar.net, right? And then you go to today's date, and then it'll pop up, and then add to cart if it's still there, and then your credit card information should already be there, and then the checkout should be smooth sailing, right? And then that's how I got my bag. And let me tell you, I secured that bag in less than 2 minutes. In less than 2 minutes. But I don't think this color isn't that popular. Like, I didn't have to, this bag stayed open for like 1 to 3 hours that day. It's not a popular color, and you know, everyone's different. Everyone has a different taste, but that bag definitely was calling my name, because it's gonna go with a lot of my outfits, and I don't want to just get a color that's gonna just not go with my outfits. But yeah, that's how I secured my bag. If you guys have any questions on if you're trying to secure a Telfar bag without the bag security program, and if you're trying to buy it for retail price and you don't know how to, this video is definitely for you. If you have any questions, or if I didn't cover something that you want to know that I missed or something, just comment it in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer your question. But that's it for today's video, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.